So, if you talk about the history of how reliability engineering evolved, it was mainly during the World War II that the importance of equipment performance gained importance like never before. You can imagine the weapon systems, how crucial it is that they perform the required function when you really want them to. So, the analysis of the effectiveness of these weapon systems rapidly grew into a scientific discipline of reliability engineering. Most of you might by now might have realized the importance of employing reliability engineering techniques into your product. Let's discuss some obvious benefits of it. Long term customer and supplier relationship. Obviously, if your product is reliable, you would have a wider range and a stronger customer base. Reliable products also give a competitive advantage over others in marketplace. If I would give a real time example that has happened in recent times, it could be that of the Samsung Galaxy Note 7 batteries that would explode, that exploded quite often. So these incidents not only had a dent in the Samsung's customer base, it was also a huge dent for their in their reputation. Although they did come back very strongly the very next year. Time is money. So in this fast-paced and ever-changing world, higher the availability of the system for its operation, more money is what you make. So this is particularly true in an airline industry. You could just imagine the inconvenience that it causes when there is when there is a delay in the aircraft. It is not only a loss it's not only a monetary loss for the airline industry, it's also a loss for their reputation as well as it affects their upcoming schedules. So a lot of reliability efforts are go into making this system available when required. The science of predictive maintenance and preventive maintenance play a crucial role in ensuring that the aircraft is available for operation when it is required. With reliable and safe products, the company can reduce its warranty costs and claims. Reliability engineering helps in optimizing the cost to performance ratio without over engineering or overdoing a product. One term synonymous with reliability is the word safety. So the customer expects the product not only to perform its desired function when required, but he also expects that it does not behave in a way that it is not expected to, in a way that it might be dangerous to the people, environment, or property. One classic case of the product missing onto its safety guidelines in recent history is that of the Boeing 737 MAX, which resulted in two fatal crashes, killing over 400 people and resulting in the aircraft being grounded. So this incident was obviously resulted in huge losses, not only monetarily for Boeing, but also hit its reputation very badly. One point I would like to make here is that the field of reliability is so vast that people can make careers out of these individual streams that I just mentioned. Like it can be the safety engineering, the warranty management, or the maintainability engineering, or the core reliability engineering. So the field of reliability is vast and there is huge scope and need to study for reliability.